keep on going back to you. See, my days are cool without you. I'm hurting my way. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. Baby, I'm giving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing your right. Watching movies. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another productive vlog where we really try to evolve and change ourselves mentally, physically, spiritually, and emotionally. I just got done my workout and I feel really good, like super good. I feel really energized. And I just love early morning workouts. Like I really do. I feel like working out in the afternoon for me or at night, like I still get the job done, but mentally I just really don't be there because by the end of the day I'm like, whew, I'm wiped. But in the morning I just feel so good. So I just got back from the gym. I did 20 minutes with a Stairmaster along with other really good exercises, and then I ended off my workout with a nice walk. It is like 80 something degrees right now, so I'm a little hot, you know. My edges just sweated out, but it's okay. It's all good. Like, we're all good. But before we even really get started with the vlog, my name is Simone. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not, thank you for tuning in again. Yes, we're back with another vlog, another productive vlog. So, yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do today because I just went to the gym, but I kind of want to go out and get some more veggies and some more fruits because I'm running out. Y'all know how y'all go grocery shopping for your fruits and vegetables, and then by like the end of the week, everything just it go bad or it's gone, so now you only have half of what you know. It's so no, we need to go to the store because I need a few different things. I'm going to Europe in about a little over a month, well, like less than 2 months, so I'm trying to get really snatched so I can look good on my trip. I need to start ordering clothes, but before I do that, I'm really trying to like shed at least like 5 to 7 pounds at least. Like that's the goal I'm trying to hit, and then if I lose more, then I lose more. But I've been going extra hard in the gym, so I'm really trying to watch what I eat and everything. So yeah, it's been going good, but I'm ready for another trip. I'm ready for another vacation. Last month, or a little over a month, I got back from St. Barth, St. Martin, and Anguilla, and it was such an amazing trip. It was amazing, but physically, I just did not feel my best. And I said for my next trip, oh baby, I'm going to look really good. I'm going to look really good and be snatched. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to get snatched. And I'm not playing with myself this go around at all. But yeah, I'm about to go and make me some breakfast, shower, and get ready for my day. So I will see you guys later.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
Hey guys, for lunch we're making a really simple sandwich that I love to make when I need something quick. I use mayo, pesto as my sauces, and then I use provolone cheese, turkey, and also some salami that I get from Trader Joe's. And I just combine that all on my bread with some spinach and tomato, and it is so good and simple to make. Try it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's Your love, it goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, It's our quite plainly.